Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, greetings to all of us. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greetings of virtue. Ladies and gentlemen and compatriots, since we announced the COVID-19 case at the beginning of this month, I have instructed the Minister of Health and relevant ministries to insert extra step in dealing with the COVID-19 global pandemic. We see some countries the experience the spread earlier than us. There are those who do lockdown with all the consequences that accompany it, but there are also countries that do not carry our lockdowns, but instead take strict measures and policies to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The government continues to communicate with WHO and use the WHO health protocol and consults with public health experts in dealing with the spread of COVID-19. The government has formed the task force for the acceleration of handling COVID-19, which is chaired by the head of the National Disaster Management Agency, LT Gendoni Monardo. This task force has worked effectively by synergic national force, both at central and regional level, involving ASN, TNI, and Polri, as well as involving support from the private sector, social institutions, and universities. As a large country and an archipelago, the level of the spread of COVID-19 has varying degrees between regions. Therefore, I ask all governors and regions and mayors to continue to monitor the condition of the area and continue to consult with medical experts in examining the situation. Then, continue to consult with the National Disaster Management Agency to determine the status of the regions on emergency, alert, or non-natural disaster emergency response. Based on the emergency status of the area, the rank of the regional government are assisted by the ranks of the TNI and Polri, as well as support from the central government to continue to take effective and efficient steps in dealing with the spread and impact of COVID-19. Make a policy about the learning process from home for students. Making policy about some ASN can work at home by asking online interaction, while prioritizing excellent service to the community. Postpone activities involving many participants, improving the testing service for COVID-19 infection and treatment to the fullest by utilizing the capabilities of regional hospitals, and in collaboration with private hospitals, as well as research and higher education institutions, recommended by the Ministry of Health. I have ordered to provide adequate budget support to be used effectively and efficiently. First, it refers to Law Number 20 concerning disaster management, which allows the government and regional governments to prioritize and use the budget quickly. In addition, the Minister of Finance has also issued regulation and guidelines for the provision of the budget needed by all ministry of institution and regional governments and the task force for the acceleration for handling COVID-19. This regulation provides a legal basis so that relevant parties can use their budget and submit additional budgetary requirements to address the challenge of distribution COVID-19. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic has slowed the world economy measure and significantly including to the Indonesian economy. For this reason, the government has taken and continues to take rapid steps to anticipate some of this impact. The government ensure the availability of sufficient and basic staples to meet the needs of the community. The government has also provided economic policy incentive as announced by the coordination Minister for Telecommunication and the ranks of the Minister of the Economy to keep business activity as usual. I also ask the regional head to support this policy and carry out adequate policies in the regions. I and the entry cabinet continue to work hard to prepare and protect Indonesia from the spread of COVID-19 to minimize its implication for the Indonesian economy. As yesterday, it has been said that one of our ministers was detected positively infected by COVID-19. Anticipatory steps have been taken, and I'm sure the minister will continue to work as usual. In fact, the minister are working harder this day, although some are done online, to address health issues and overcome the economic impact of COVID-19. Finally, to all people of Indonesia, I ask to remain calm, not panic, and remain productive by raising awareness so that the spread of COVID-19 can be blocked and stopped. With this condition, it's time we work from home, learn from home, worship at home. It's time to work together, help one another, and unit mutual cooperation. We want this to be. Thank you.